Good morning, everyone. My name is Joshua Suranta Gunting. My partner is Devina Dananto and Muhammad Rizky Maulana Hermawan. Today, our presentation is about a recontext. Definition.
Definition. Recount text is a text that telling the reader about one story, action, or activity. Its goal is to entertaining or informing the reader.
Structure. The orientation, it gives the readers the background information needed to understand the text, such as who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened. Even a series of events ordered in a chronological sequence, reorientation, a personal comment about the event or what happened in the end.
Social function. The social function or the purpose of recontext is to entertain or to amuse or to inform the reader about experience, story, action, or activity which happened in the past.
Time signal. 1. Some of the time signals for past for sentence whose activity in the past include 1. Yesterday morning, 2. Yesterday afternoon, 3. Yesterday evening, 4. Last night. 2. We can also use other alternatives such as a following time signals. 1 last week, 2 last month, 3 last year, 4 last weekend, 5 last spring, 6 last summer, 7 last fall, 8 last winter, 9 last Monday.
The element of the loneliness or unsur kebahasaan. The feature of the recontext language are as follows. 1. Using nouns and pronoun as pronouns for people, animals, or object in the text. Example, Bella, the cat, the villa. 2. Using action verbs. Example, walk, run, talk, shop. 3. Written in the past tense. Example, we shopped in the market yesterday. I was excited.
4. They are conjunction and time connective. The point is that the event being written or synchronized and governed. Example for frequently used word but, then, after, that, next. 5. Involves adverbs and adverb phrase that describe the setting of place, time, and additional information. Example, at the hospital yesterday, quickly, and etc. 6. Using adjective that describe nouns. Example, handsome, rich, expensive. This is our recontext.
Trip to Jambi. I went to Jambi province last month. I went with my father and 2 younger siblings. We went to see my mother. We were there for a week. I thought it was a short time to see and visit my mother. I went to Sarawangun to meet her. On the first day we got there, we went for a walk in Bangko, met my old friend, met my aunt and my uncle, and met my nephew. We ate together while telling each other about our daily lives. On the second day, we went to Jambi for sightseeing and celebrating for my mother's transfer. On Saturday, we went to the temple in Sabak, Muaro Jambi Temple. The temple has just been found, not much has been excavated. We went around the temple. It was really hot there. However, it was nice to see the temple with my mother. Sadly, I must went home. So we went home very quickly. However, I'm still happy. Can meet my friend, met my aunt. So happy to be able to visit there. It's tiring, but I'm still happy. Fun and nice trip. A special trip in my life.
Trip to Bagan Api. I went to Rio province, more precisely to Bagan Api, 6 years ago. Went with my sister and mother to meet my grandfather who is in the Bagan Api. On the first day, when I got to Bagan Api, I went to my grandfather's house who was there with my sister and brother and mother. After arriving there, my grandfather invited us to a special culinary place. There are so many food variant and most abundant there is a seafood. The second day, my grandfather and his family invited us to a bakar tongkang event, which is where every year it is held. Actually, when we were the event was held, a lot of people who attended this event. The road is so busy that cars can pass. So we walked towards to the pagoda to see the ship on fire. Sadly, we had to go back to Dumai because my mom had work. Grandpa gave me a gift of ship accessories for our farewell. Even though I am sad, I'm also happy because I have been invited to events and places that are exciting.
Trip to Jakarta. Last December, my family and I went to Jakarta to visit our grandparents. We are in Jakarta for about 1 week. We visit a tourist spot which in my opinion is very interesting to visit. We went to Jakarta Aquarium and Safari. I think it's really worth it to try. I can saw many kinds of fish. Not only fish in Jakarta Aquarium, it also saw other land animals such as kangaroos, snakes, and others. When we are there, the health protocol was guaranteed. We also felt safe when visiting the place. I was able to learn a lot while there. Unfortunately, our grandparents could not participate because there were other activities. After walking around inside, we didn't forget to buy some souvenirs for our grandparents, as well as some food. After that, we also decided to go home and come back together again with our family at home. Thank you.